doing work at the moment.
Here's the bird. Look at that. We'll go there. Okay.
Each got 6 sets this size. And you give them, as they get bigger,
Okay.
we'll give the they've escaped. They shouldn't be out here. But,
Yeah. Oh, they escape, huh? Oh. Too many chickens. Chicks. Wow, so beautiful. Look at those. Ang gaganda nila.
the other sets that have their kids, there's not as many out. Yeah, come over. In the middle.
This is how they grow the farm for the chicken.
It doesn't smell too bad. You might want to wash it before you go. Sorry about that.
That's alright.
I'm so used to it, I don't even think about it.
There you go. So many chicks around here.
After about, these are 7 days today, so about 10 days today they turn white.
Yeah.
So, this is a Ross breed, which is a really high quality breed, expensive
Yeah.
breed. They don't get sick, and like they're in here for 2 months,
Yeah.
and at the end of the 2 months, about 2 to 3% mortality. So the rest of them go through to the processing plant.
Okay. There's so many. Oh God.
You know how we grow RSPCA birds? These rails here, they come down, and that's just for them to sit on, like seats.
Yeah.
There's a whole row of them there and over here, and they have these are play toys, just for them to play with. That's part of the RSPCA, and our manure has to be totally dry all the time.
Yes.
This one that's died.
Yeah. Oh. Oh no.
So we have 3 feed lines and 4 link lines.
Yeah.
So the computer controls everything. When the fans come on, we just set them.
Yeah. Wow, there's so many.
Everything. There's so much paperwork. Half our job is just paperwork. Like how much water they use each day. We have water readings for everything. Fans are down that end, and we're cleaning the fill pads up here at the moment. There's
Yeah.
repairs we need to do. So the cool air comes in. At the moment, the birds are brooding, so they want our target temperature is a bit warmer. It's about 30 degrees, so the air comes through.
So how many days before these chooks are ready to be?
Every 7 days we weigh them.
Okay.
And,
All of them?
yeah, that's their birthday every 7 days. No, we just take a sample.
Okay.
Yeah, we weigh every one.
Oh God. That's 1,000.
When the birds get up to, it's usually around 33 days.
Okay.
So around 33 days, they're about 1.6 kilos.
Yeah.
So they're the smallest, and they'll take like 23,000 at 33 days of age. It's just chock-a-block in it. It's pretty tight to walk, but they'll come in and they'll take about 8,000, which is one big trailer load of 1.6 kilos each shed. And then you'll have the other two thirds, which is 15,000. They'll grow them on to mid-weights,
Yeah.
which is so there's 1.6 kilos, and then it'll be 2.5 kilos. They take them, and then they'll grow the rest on to 4 kilo birds.
Yeah.
So there's different markets. The small birds go for whole chickens.
How much per each do you sell it?
I don't own the birds. I just raise them. I have a performance.
Also, someone are
I
selling
get
them.
paid. I'm a contractor, so I get paid for how many birds get picked up.
Yeah.
So if any birds die, I don't get paid for them.
Okay.
These are our building pads. These are the back of the buildings. It was just really dirty. And we had there's 3 on the back of the ute which were broken.
Yeah.
And that one over there was broken as well. That's that shed there. But we're going to clean the whole lot out and cut some holes in that curtain, and then I'll end up stacking them back in again. The water flows through those pipes, through the top, runs down, and air flows through, and that's a cheap form of air conditioning. They're all grain fed.
So are they the same one or the other one?
All of them the same. They're the youngest.
Are they youngest ones?
So there's different lighting in the other ones.
Okay.
So the silos, we have 2 big silos up in front of these 3 sheds, and then 2.
Oh, you got plenties.
So we've got 4 42-ton silos.
Oh. That's a lot of chooks.
She's a border collie. She's probably about a 90-year-old woman. She's really old. She's got hip problems at the moment. So there's nothing we could do. So
She's a girl.
yeah, another year.
The white one is the girl.
No, the white one is the boy.
The way. So,
They all like attention too. It's pretty quiet out here. We had vegan protesters, and they come on, they just make a nuisance. We actually got them coming. We had to do a police report because they came into my sheds. The only farm they've been on is in my farm. The company's got about 180 sheds, and my 6 are the only ones they've been on. Because they live, the lady who does it all is not far down the road from here.
Yeah.
So they put a fence around our farm to keep them out. If they come through that fence or break the fence, there's trespassing, then they can be arrested.
yeah, of course.
So, but it was too easy before, and we had to put locks on everything. It's not too bad now.
Yeah.
But yeah, the manure doesn't stay that fresh.
Yes.
We got tractors, we run through and we cultivate it and turn it over, because if we aerate it, it keeps it dry. Our real problem is if there's too much moisture on the ground, the manure turns to ammonia, and then the ammonia is bad for the chickens, because they can smell that, and it burns their breasts as well, which is bad for the chicken.
So what will happen the one that died? The one who died on the one chicken, one chook,
The one
the
that
baby
died,
one, yeah.
we go through, we'll walk through the shed and we count all the deads every day. And we also cull, which means any ones that crook, we'll kill them.
Yeah.
We call it culling. So, and then we keep a record of that. And then we used to just have paperwork. Now it actually goes on a computer system, goes straight to the company. Everything, they'll have accuracy sooner or later
Yes.
on everything.
Yeah.
Computers can already do it.
Yeah. Mm.
It's pretty boring nowadays. It's the same thing. I've been doing it for so long.
Yeah.
I like working for yourself. That's the good part.
Yeah. You don't have any to tell you what to do.
We work basically 7 days a week. There's no the chickens. If there's an alarm any time of the day, at 1 o'clock in the morning,